Hi, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a 2x2 ID picture in Google Docs. This is super handy if you need an ID photo for forms, applications, or school projects, and the best part is, you can do it right inside Docs without any extra software. First, open Google Docs and create a new blank document. Go to the Insert menu, select Image, and choose Upload from Computer to bring in your photo. Once the picture is in your document, you can resize it by dragging the corners. To position your photo more easily, click on the text wrap options and set it to either in front of text or behind text. This makes it much simpler to move around. If you need to crop, just click the crop tool and trim the photo so your face is centered. Press Enter once you're happy with the frame. Now here's the key step. With the photo selected, click on Image options from the toolbar. On the right side, open Size and Rotation. Make sure to uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio, then type in 2 inches for the width and 2 inches for the height. And just like that, your photo is perfectly set to 2x2. If you want, you can also add a border by clicking on the border weight icon at the top and choosing the thickness you prefer. This gives it a cleaner, ID-style look. And that's it. You've successfully formatted a 2x2 ID picture in Google Docs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check the description for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.